All right, warming up. Welcome back to the House Extras, where today we have the Cuda Pearl versus the Stealth Pearl in what very well might possibly be the best Pearl bowling ball matchup of 2023 for us. And today we're finishing out the bottom half of the Pearl side of the bracket, where we're gonna challenge these two 1v1 and see who can come out on top and face the Crypto Boom. So let's get to bowling and let's get to explaining a little bit about what these balls do for me. Frame number one, I'm going 17 with my feet here. $13 with the eyes, probably gonna bounce it out to 7. Oh, bounced out to 3. Just a flat 7. Stealth Pearl? Probably hooks a little more. I'm gonna go about a 3 and 2 right of the Cuda Pearl with the Stealth Pearl. Same hit though, so it's probably right with my move, but I gotta change what I'm doing with both of them. Cuda Pearl. I'm gonna go 2 right and a little slower. Try and get it to read a little more of the lane. Bad shot, good result. Still leaking it a little further left than I want to. Right about now, I want to keep it a little more in front of me just because I'm seeing when it gets to the left, they're so dry that it's going a little more forward than I want, where right now I think I want it to really almost bounce off of that spot a little harder. So keeping it in the oil, hopefully stores a little more energy, makes a little more of a down lane shape with both of the balls, not just one. Stealth, I'm gonna go in a 2, just like I did with the Cuda. I'm gonna go like a 3 and 2 right. Slow the speed down. Sit there. And that was where I wanted it to be down lane. I want it to be like in that general vicinity down lane where it's not getting too far left, where it's not really hitting like 4, 5, 6 and really getting to the dry, or 3, 4, 5 and really not getting to the dry, because I've noticed first 4 shots, when it gets to the dry, it kind of squares off and tries to flat 7. So keeping both of them a little further in and slowing the speed down to let it hook. Maintaining the 3 and 2. And then when you send it to the dry and you throw it slow, it overhooks. Gotta get better at this. Yeah! So what I did on the spare shot was I've been missing them left lately, so I moved my eyes 2 to the right. That Stealth Pearl's a beast! The Cuda let me down on the last shot. This shot, I'm just gonna keep the eyes in. I'm playing them 2 different from each other still. I just gotta keep the eyes in. That's pretty good. Damn. I mean, shoot. What I'm seeing from this Cuda Pearl, it definitely has plenty, and I mean plenty, of down lane motion. You see when the Cuda gets to the left, it really snaps off it, like that last one and the one before that really snaps off the back end. So I might even go, when I get to throw the Cuda again, I'm gonna go 1 more to the right. As for right now though, the Stealth Pearl looks like shmoney. Oh, that's left. And like almost just what I talked about. When the Cuda gets to that spot, it really snaps off of it. And when the Stealth gets to that spot, it kind of rolls off it a little better. So I'm gonna go 1 right with the Cuda, and maybe I'll get the same shape as I do with the Stealth, but for right now, the Cuda is definitely weaker and snappier down lane and needs a little help to win this match. I got a feeling whatever comes out of this match is definitely gonna beat the not the Thunder Fire, that ball lost. The Crypto Boom. Oh, I'm moving 1 more right, yeah. Thought I messed it up, but now I'm standing in the right spot. And as you see, with more down lane motion comes more messengers, because the ball just sneaks a little bit behind the head pin. Now I'm staying at 23 with this ball, rotating a little, looking 17 at the arrows and probably hitting like 19 or 20. Perfect shot. And a perfect result, because that ball is money. I will say, like, for scenario-wise, this is the perfect scenario for both of those balls, because the Stealth Pearl, a little bit stronger, but definitely meant when they're hooking a little more, when they're a little burnt up. And the Cuda, a little weaker, but still a Pearl ball. Definitely, once again, when they're burnt up, you're gonna be able to step really far right and still get the angled down lane that you need. So right now, I would definitely probably, of the two, right now I'd be throwing the Stealth. The Cuda would be probably in a game or two from now. And that being said, I'm probably gonna win this game with Cuda just because every time I think a ball is gonna win, the other one wins. A good shot here. Last one, messenger, 7-pin went late. Come on. Big dog's gotta eat. Oh, I don't know. Someone help me. Comment below. Back on to 23. This rack's a little off. You can see the 4-pin is a little far left, which is gonna make it a little bit harder to strike and get that 7 out. Maybe not. Maybe not. Update through 6. Stealth Pearl's got 290 left. Cuda Pearl's got 270 left. Kind of. If you know what I mean. Like, kinda has 270 left. Cuda Pearl definitely a little more sensitive to what I do with my hand at the bottom. If I hit a little hard at the bottom, it kinda goes sideways down lane like that last one. Am I moving? No. Am I gonna throw a better shot? Yes. Bang, bang. Get that 4-pin just, yee. Yeah, the Stealth is just very convincing through the pins, where that Cuda, like, it slaps the 7 late, it trips the 4. It has good enough ball motion to strike, but not what I would call optimal ball motion, where the Stealth, like, every ball hits the pins the same way. I don't need messengers, I don't need to trip a 6. Miss in, hooks in the right spot and strikes. Miss a little left, rolls up in the right spot and strikes. I feel like eventually I'm gonna get unlucky with this Cuda Pearl. Got a close one on our hands. Lots of strikes. Couple more strikes than at the Brunswick headquarters. If you're watching this and you work at Brunswick, tell me what lane I should bowl on next time to strike more. Oh, that's so bad. I threw it so bad. Just got around it. Went way too far down lane. Shoo-wee. Cuda now has the upper hand, up by 1. These messengers with the Cuda are unreal. There's just no 7-pin standing for the messengers to hit. All right, so what I need to do with the Stealth is throw a better shot, because last one, like I said, leak a little left, got a little around it, went too far down lane. That's perfect. Aye. Running out of juice. Running out of juice. Cuda's got a double in the 10th for the win. It's close. That's 1. It needs 2. Not my best shot, but I watch it hook early. I'm gonna move 2, get a little more underneath it. Hopefully this one strikes. Strike to claim it. Well. Spare to claim it, because that 9 spare would win by 1. You know, for video purposes, I'm missing this on purpose. I felt like I had to miss that one because I made the big 4 a little like the cheating way, whatever. Here's the situation. I need all 3 in the 10th from the Stealth just to tie the Cuda, and then we'll go into 1-ball roll-off if I do. So please. One, I was afraid to move because I moved with the Cuda and hit it harder, and it gave me like the same week 7 kind of result, even though they were hooking. So from that 7-pin spot with the Stealth, I just decided to hit it just a touch more. All right, here we go. Hook. One strike from the Stealth here, and we got a 258, 258 roll off. 258 from the Stealth was real, the Cuda was questionable. Once again, digging them a little deeper, hitting it a little harder. This is a terrible shot. Got a little off balance, a little rolly, and 257, which means, as predicted, the Cuda Pearl has taken home the victory over the Stealth Pearl, winning by 258 to 257. And don't forget, guys, we are doing a bowling ball giveaway, so click that link down below in the description, enter your email, and that's how we'll reach back out to you. At the end of this tournament, we're giving away a couple different bowling balls, so don't forget, enter down below, subscribe to the channel, that way you guys can get consistent updates on this bowling ball tournament as we progress through, and as always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you guys on the next one where the Cuda Pearl takes on the Crypto Boom. Peace.